Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a remote starter installed on Porsche Cayenne 2013. So we have used the factory remote for the remote starter. So we're going to press the lock button 3 times. And in a few seconds the vehicle will start. The vehicle will be running for a set time that we've done. In this case we've done it for 15 minutes. And you can see the lights will be on. The key takeover on this vehicle is very simple. You can either touch the door, and if it's a push, like in this case, you can just touch the door, enter the vehicle, have a seat, turn the key to the on position, and that's it. Now you can drive away. Remote starter for Porsche and other vehicles is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.